Alright, so if you haven't followed along with this Mustang build, go back and watch the first video where we pull this thing out of a barn in Colorado. It sat there for 42 years. It was 1981 or 82 that it was parked. Can't remember. It was my buddy's grandma who owned it and whose house we went to get it from. When we took it, she made me promise her that when I get it going, I'd have to give her a ride. So today's the day we're going to go give her a ride and get her reaction. See what she thinks about how it looks now. It's the same color and everything, but the interior is all brand new, so she remembers what it looked like, all full of mice and everything. Here's the barn that the car's in, and there it sits. So it's in really good shape. I've already walked around it a little bit. Can't find any rust anywhere on the thing. But the interior, the mice got to the interior really bad. Hey bud, where you go? There's a flashlight in the toolbox on the truck. Careful climbing up on the side. Whew, yeah, it's a potent smell in there. So I think the whole interior is gonna have to be gutted, but that was expected. So yeah. Her name's Keo. We're gonna go give her a ride and get her reaction. Alright, we're just pulling up now. Not sure if they're outside or not. Actually, I'm gonna park in the street, I think. Okay.
Down to the sidewalk. It's kind of a slant, isn't it? Yeah. Gotcha. There you go. Okay. What do you think, Mom?
This you know, color.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow! I can't believe that interior. That was such a mess.
Already scratched?
Oh, there was already a few scratches on it.
Oh.
A few dings and a few scratches.
Body work comes later.
Yep.
But now the inside is pretty good.
Here, I'll go around to the other side. No. That's all brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new interior, yep.
I bet you nothing is, you know.
Nope, the dash is new. All the seat upholstery is new. The carpet and the floor pans in the back underneath the carpet, that's all new.
Oh.
But original engine, original paint. This is still the original top.
Oh, I see.
All right, let's go upstairs.
And if I can find the lever.
Oh, yeah.
Susie?
Yeah, just a minute.
Oh.
We didn't pick the best day to do this with the weather coming. Yeah, hopefully it blows over. All right, did you guys want to hop in? All right, we'll take her for a ride.
Oh, okay. I use the raindrops.
Yeah, a couple. Well, what do you guys think?
It's lovely. I love it.
Good.
It's great, so fun.
Thank
just
you
can't
so
You're
much.
welcome. Thank you. We appreciate it. So.
I'm very, very happy person give it to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, I'll let you guys
Tell little
out.
boy hi.
I will.
Yeah, she wanted to see Levi.
Oh, well,
We all love
I didn't think
Levi.
we'd have room to put him in here with us, so that's why I left him at home.
In here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.